Anyway, on to the video. I'll show you the back of the box. The front contains the address and everything, and I'm too lazy to censor it. So here's the back of the box, roughly this size. Slightly bigger than my 12-inch MacBook, but anyway. So, why didn't I get the 2018 iPad? Why didn't I wait for it anyway, the 2018 iPad Pro? The design is great, I'm sure it's going to be awesome, but the A10X Fusion chip with the quad speakers, with the slightly less bezels, fingerprint sensor, I love the fingerprint sensor, which is why I don't care. I do care about it in like a technology sort of way, but I don't care enough to wait for it. If it was a phone or a laptop, I'd wait, but for a tablet, just does what I need to do. I don't need to wait. So this is it. Also, this case works with the tablet. 2018 iPad's good. I'm sure it will be. It's coming out on September 12th or being unveiled. I just went for the 2017 one. Ah! I literally just opened this up, right? You just saw me. This is my first impression. So, a couple other things. If you just want the unboxing, I'll leave the timestamp. I'm going to be talking for a little bit. I want to keep it short, but a couple of things to talk about. I have been anticipating making this video for a while. I've been like thinking about it. I've been like imagining it in my head. Because I've really wanted an iPad for the longest time. My dad woke me up at like 10:15 in the morning. I thought he was going to say, Robert, it's 12 or something like that. But no, he showed me this 512GB gold iPad Pro for £650. Yes, get it. Oh yeah. But, because if you don't know, the 512GB is normally like £900, so it was like £230 off this specific one or whatever. But no, it turned out, that we bought it, we were waiting for it, I was all good, but, a couple days later, I checked the tracking order and it says on hold. I was like, what? On hold? What the hell does that mean? My mum and I rang up, because my dad wasn't there at the time. And they were like, yeah, it turns out so many people were loving this offer, it was all sold out. We bought it, but no, it was all sold out. So my dad was like, he went on apple.com, so there should be no problems. Even though it's a bit more expensive, I'd recommend trying elsewhere. But this is a custom one you're going to see. Apparently some people are saying the resale value will go down. Let me tell you, from my experience, the resale value should still be fine, and the delivery was still a day later. Yesterday, we bought this from Apple on the store. Today, it came like me when I saw it. Anyway, I've been really excited for this, for a long time. I probably forgot a couple informations but I'll try my best. I can just see iPad Pro, if you can see it there, in rose gold, because that's the colour I got it. Oh, God, I'm such a virgin. Let's open this. You see, this is my first technical Apple box, which I just saw through the viewfinder, not my actual eyes. Because my MacBook, which is awesome, came brand new, it didn't come in the box. So it just came with the like thing in the screen, so it's brand new. But the person kept the box. Not a massive deal, but it's still something to think about. This is it. 256GB. iPad Pro 10.5-inch with Wi-Fi. Includes the lightning cable, USB, power, iPad, yada yada yada. Aha! This is my first Apple box. And I'll tell you, this looks beautiful. It's a rose gold. I actually am loving the wallpaper. I might keep it, but we'll see. For the record, I'm not going to be using this in the video. I'll show you it and everything, but I don't want to use it yet. I'll use it later on, but Just for the sake of this video, for the time's sake, I'm sure you've all seen it before, but it's my video, my unboxing, therefore, if I haven't done it, it's never been done before. That's my logic. This looks beautiful. Apple's attention to detail is amazing. You can love them, you can hate them, but their attention to detail is amazing. As you can see, the bezels are slightly reduced. One thing I forgot to mention is even when this was in the box, it still didn't feel that heavy, so that's a good thing. iPad Pro, the Apple logo in rose gold. These will be my first Apple stickers because it didn't come in the box, the 12-inch MacBook, sorry. It came with a MacBook, with the charger and the cable, the USB-C cable, the essentials. It did not come with like any sort of Apple sticker, books or anything. We're going to open this up. Try to fight with the cellophane. Here we go. Don't worry, that was just a wrapping, not the actual box. The box is fine. What will be exciting is this my first Lightning device, because I have a Galaxy phone, I believe, Mac OS, Android phone and iPad. Perfect combination for me. So it will be interesting to get used to iOS. My last iOS device was the iPhone 4S, which is old. But okay, it's off. It's naked now. We're gonna open it up now. I'll try to put it here so you can see it. Oh, God, I'm disabled. It just shows you the iPad itself. I believe the new iPhones have some sort of sheet that gives you the Apple stickers and the information, whereas this just cuts to shit and shows you the device. You open it up, you see the device. Now, this is the custom oh, it's so light, holy shit. I'm gonna have the case on it, but we will leave this to the side for now. You see, whenever you watch unboxings, of which you see the Designed by Apple in California and the Lightning cable, we will look at this. So this is the... Let me just take this off. Trying to give you that experience of me taking it off. You know, I got this... Sorry, the sound wasn't as good there. Got this because I passed my GCSEs. Ready? Also, I've been excited for this for a long time. I worked hard. I deserved it. Just welcome guide. iPad Pro. And these are not rose gold. I believe some Apple stickers come with rose gold. Smell like glue. Designed by Apple in California. Believe that's it. So, don't want to scrape that, just put it over there carefully. Let's try and unpeel this for you guys. You get the colour. The colour's more vibrant whenever you unpeel it. Okay, so first impressions are... It's not as big as I thought it was going to be, but it's definitely not a bad thing. I'm not complaining. It's a good size. I could see myself watching films, doing YouTube videos, all that stuff. On the back, rose gold, love that colour. On the back, Robert Donnan's iPad. Right, the home button clicks. So it's not like an iPhone 7 home button, but I'm glad it's there. I like fingerprint sensors, second generation Touch ID. We aren't going to go through the process of setting it up, but I am going to start it for you guys and for myself before I finish the video. So, 3, 2, 1. Whoa. That display is really nice. As you can see the Apple logo there. So I'm going to get it to 100% before I start using it, but this is really nice. Screen is vibrant, screen is good. While we're here, I already opened this, but we can open it again. 90%, so it's not going to take super long to fully charge. and my dad just texted me. So, we're going to put this in the case. I will set it up after this video, but just going to see what it's like in its case. So, you put it in. Sorry I can't fully show you, I'm just putting it in the straps. I know it's going to add to the weight, but not really a fan of flip cases, but in terms of an iPad, it's a bigger device, so it'll be more protected. And I'm sure this turns around, so it does. So, this adds a little bit of weight, but it isn't super heavy. And you can close it like this to keep it protected, like this. So you can set it down, do whatever. You can also hold it up. I might actually make videos on this using the front-facing camera, which is good because it's a bigger screen. It's a bigger screen viewfinder, I was going to say. And you can also just use it like this. Anyway, that is pretty much it. I'm going to go use this, reply to my dad's text message, and I will see you all in the next video. There's not really much else I can say. I won't be using social media on this for a month because I scroll-free September. But, we will definitely sort something out. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace, guys. Mwah. Da-da-da. Yeah.